Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm HD Signatures. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, I'm HD Signatures. I'm going to be doing a neutral eye and a neutral lips on today's tutorial. This is actually a requested video by one of my amazing subscribers. Hey girl, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if this really answered your request. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a neutral tone eyeshadow and a neutral lip color. So guys, in case you guys like my hair, like I'm vibing this hair, just look at it guys. Look at this beauty. Come on guys, just look at it. Let's jump right into this tutorial. So guys, I'm going to be applying a concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be going ahead to use Morphe eyeshadow palette. So we're going to be making use of this one here.
Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I
I'm going to blend that out with this Real Techniques brush. So I'm blending the edges of the color I placed down because I don't want any ash line. I'm using a lighter shade of brown eyeshadow color to blend the edges out. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this eyeshadow, this one.
So you go there for me, I said it for you.
I'm going to go into my Candid Glow by Younger Beauty. So I'm making use of this. This is just going to take this look to the next level. So I'm using a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to dip it into the cover of the product and place that here. This is just to give it like a very subtle shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with Zaron black gel eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and fix my lashes. Okay. So I'm going to, for the lip part, I'm making use of the Luster Ultra Matte Lip Stain in Cocoa, and I'm going to be making use of same brand in beige. So the first thing I'm going to do is to apply the Cocoa first.
Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I promise you won't go away. Trips to Paris, when we are the things I like. Signs to deliver, baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever still again, baby.
So I'm going to add gloss.
progress, and you know, one day shall say a horse will go blow. I don't mind to wait, baby.
So for my waterline, I'm going to be using a lip stain.
Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I eat that life. Promise you won't go away. Trips to Paris, when we are the things I like. Signs to the lip, but baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever I still get baby.
So I'm going to be using eyeshadow pigment as my blush. It's pink and it contains a little bit of glow, like it has glow in it.
So you go there for me, I saw there for you, baby. So you go there with me, oh, as I there with you.
So babes, I hope this answered your request. I hope I was able to meet up with what you really want to see. Let me know down in the comment section. I love this look and I love how it turns out. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.